Hi everyone and Merry Christmas! I'm excited because it's Christmas. My name is Patience. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining, thank you so much and welcome. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. I'm so excited guys to share this delicious and easy Christmas recipe with you. So let's get started. For breakfast, I'll be making these mouth-watering baby pancakes. I've got 1 egg in a bowl. I'm gonna give this a whisk. Once I've done that, add in my sugar, baking powder, and cinnamon. Then whisk again. I like mixing it in bits because it helps control and avoid any lumps. I'm going to pour in the milk, then whisk again and add half of the flour. Once I whisk this nicely, add the other half and then whisk again to combine. Please whisk so you can see no lump or it's nice and smooth. Now the batter is ready to cook. Heat a pan lightly wiped with oil, as you can see, and use a spoon to pour the batter into the pan. So I'm going to cook this until it's brown on one end, then do the challenging task which is flipping it. I tried, so I flip it as neatly as I could, guys. And then leave to cook until it's brown again on the other side. Once that is done, empty the pancake out and repeat the process again until all the batter is used up. Now that this delicious pancakes is ready, you can enjoy it with cheese, butter, or a little fruit spread of your choice. To be honest, what I did for my kids is pureed a couple of strawberries and spread it all over for them to enjoy it with because they love strawberry. Alright, without wasting time, let's go to our next recipe, which is turkey risotto. So I'm going to heat the oil in a saucepan. As you can see, I've poured my oil in. Gently fry the onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now the next thing I'm going to do after I've satisfied or slightly brown, add in the turkey and continue to fry both of them for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once that is done, I pour in the rice, rosemary, as well as a little bit of water. So I'm going to give them a good stir, cover and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. It's still got a little bit of sauce in it or a little bit of water in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in my green bell pepper for more aroma and flavor. Stir and then cover for 2 to 5 minutes on very low heat. Now it's deliciously ready. I like the color. The rosemary and bell pepper give it this lovely aroma. The next recipe is minced pasta. But first, pour the pasta in a pan. Add some water. Give it a little bit of stir and then cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. So whilst the pasta is cooking, stir fry the mince in another pan until it's brown. Once it's brown, add the onion and fry them together for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now add in the thyme, seasoning, mushroom as well as tomatoes. Please check for salt, as kids under 1, like I said previously, can't have salt. Now I'm gonna pour in the water, give it another stir to combine all the ingredients nicely together. Once I've done that, cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium heat. Now back to the pasta. It looks half cooked, so I'm going to drain, pour or run cold water to stop the cooking process. After which I'll just set it aside for later. Okay guys, to be honest, the sauce looks saucy, so it's not too dry. Add the pasta, stir well to nicely combine. Once the sauce is enough to cook the pasta for another 10 minutes on low heat. So I'll cover this and allow it to cook. This pasta's shape, to be honest, is easy for children to pick up. This delicious pasta is nice and ready. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas again, and see you all soon. Bye.